Hello, kumusta? I hope you guys are doing great and excited for what's about to happen today. And thank you so much, Jerome, for having me here. And I was just gonna share some few things that I've learned for doing this ministry for the past many years, and then now I'm serving in the church called Hillsong, Stockholm, Sweden, and it has been great. And my name is Roy. I was just gonna focus on two things. Number one, worship, and then number two is team. It says in Romans 12:1, offer your body as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. This is your true and proper worship. And when you say worship, it's always connected with the word leadership or leading. We create space for so people can meet God. That is what we do during Sundays, and it also means that we also need to lead ourselves. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng kay Roy, lead ourselves? Also means that we need to lead ourselves in devotion. Prior to Sunday worship, kailangan mo magkaroon ng, personal time for God. Lalo na sa Sabado o Sunday morning. Make it a habit. Before you go up to the stage, kailangan ayos yung puso mo. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ayos yung puso mo na kapag devotion ka, and whatever it is. Kasi, ang week natin, masyadong marami tayong ginagawa. And make sure na you have your personal time with God. God, ano yung gusto mo sa akin gawin ngayon? O ano yung gusto mo sabihin sa akin para bukas? Paano ko matutulungan na mailapit ang mga tao sa iyo, Lord God. So yun, make sure na you will have your personal devotion also. Lead yourself. And pangalawa is yung word na team. Team, it's not one, but it's, a group of people doing a common thing. I meaning to say, community yan. Pag sinabing team, sa community. Pag sinabing community, you need to build up relationship. You need to do life together. You need to empower one another. Mentor each other kapag medyo may experience na isa. Turuan mo yung isa. Kapag medyo kailangan nyo pa ng push, kailangan mong bigyan sila ng mga resources, maybe online, kung tingin ka sa YouTube o mga links, kung meron kang maraming natutunan, yung grupo na to nagsisimula pa lang. So you need to empower one another and always use the word great job, so good, good job today. Magkaroon din kayo ng parang take the win moment after ng worship service or after ng Sunday service na gather nyo lahat ng creative team or ng worship team, and then just to hug each other and say great job, and talk about the things na instead na sabihin mo sa harap ng bawat isa na medyo mali yung ginawa mo, medyo nagkamali ka nun sa chorus na ganito, medyo sabit yung lyrics mo, medyo ganyan. Instead na ganun yung sabihin mo sa kanya na, you know what we can, you did really great, but what we can improve, kung ano pa natin pwedeng improve. Siguro, kailangan pa natin pag-aralan yung make sure na bago tayo tumugtog na practice natin na maigi yung chords and confident tayo sa mga gano'n. Just to afflict one another. And accountability. This is really beautiful because we need to show that we care for one another. Practice not only to fake it practice, but have a habit to care for one another. Tawagan yung bawat isa during the Saturday practices or Thursday, I don't know. Kamustahin nyo, kamusta ka na? Kamusta naman yung linggo mo? Kamusta yung si mommy and daddy mo? Kamusta ang asawa mo? Kamusta yung school? Meron ba akong kailangang may papag-pray para sa'yo? To really care for one another and not just there to practice or to do things, but you really need to be accountable for each other. Kapag yung isa medyo nadapa, tulungan mo makabangon. So, ganun lang yun. Kasi, kung paano natin makakapag-ministry sa ibang tao, napapakita natin na nagkikare tayo sa iba, we need to start within our family, and worship team is our family, it's our community. So I think that's it, and marami pa akong gustong i-share, but for now, that's it, and I hope you guys learned some stuff, and hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much.